working fine. Getting all the water out. I got a wee bit of soak. Oh, I got a wee bit of soak trying to get the pipe off the end, but getting there. That's working away fine. Might not look pretty, but she's doing the job. That's all that's needed. Just let it push the last wee bit out there. Well, it's just flooded here anyway. See what I have her up there. I was running at about 8.5 bar. What is she running at? About 3 bar full time, but no, I had her up, 8, 9, 10 bar. I think she could handle 12, I think was the rating. But no, that's coming out now, but so I'll just let that run. That's the connection there I've got for it. Back there, in case the pipe blows off. Ah, perfect. Another job done. Set her down now. That's it. Turn the key off. Happy days.